Hello friends, up till now we have covered the principle of working of electro discharge machining process. Then we have studied the construction details of the EDM, and in this third part, it is the last part of this EDM machine. In this part we are going to cover the various process parameters of the EDM, advantages, disadvantages, application of the EDM, and most important part from this EDM that the and most important part of the EDM is dielectric fluid. The question is always asked on the dielectric fluid. That's why we have extended that much part. Okay, so let's start. EDM process parameters. The first process parameter of EDM is spark gap. The diagram is well illustrated. On the x-axis there is a spark gap, and on the y-axis is MRR, because MRR is our output parameter and input parameter is a spark gap. As we increases the spark gap, means what? Spark gap as increases up till the optimum limit, MRR आपल्याला मॅक्सिमम मिळतो, आणि एका ठिकाणी मॅक्सिमम मिळाल्यानंतर तो जसा जसा आपण अजून तिथून जर आपण स्पार्क गॅप वाढवला तर तो काय होतो, MRR ड्रास्टिकली डिक्रीज होतो. सो स्पार्क गॅप इज अ प्रोसेस पॅरामीटर, व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट प्रोसेस पॅरामीटर. मग ऑप्टिमम आपण प्रोसेस पॅरामीटर स्पार्क गॅप जो आहे तो किती ठेवायचा, तर इट इज इन बिटवीन 0.0125 टू 0.125 mm. Okay, now second one is a working voltage. The whole working voltage is always 40 to 300 volts. VW is a working volt. Now maximum current, as the current is increases, our MRR is also increases. As the current increases, MRR is also increases. The pulse on time, the duration for which the voltage pulse is applied, it is 2 to 2000 microsecond. Pulse means what? It is an electrical pulse, spark pulse. Okay, it is a 2 to 200 microseconds. The dielectric fluid pressure is a 0.2 megapascal, external flushing through the spark gap. Now in this diagram again we have plotted a resistance on the x-axis and MRR on the y-axis. We will easily found out that MRR is decreases as the resistance is increases. MRR is increases as the resistance is increases. But if we consider the capacitance, as the capacitance increases, MRR is also increases. Means what? Capacitance and resistance are the vice versa. Okay, this term is very important. There is a one concept about breakthrough voltage. It is related to the capacitance. Capacitance जेवढा वाढेल तेवढा MRR वाढणार, रेजिस्टन्स जेवढा कमी असेल तेवढा MRR वाढणार. Okay, next thing, the advantages of the EDM. The question is always asked on the MSPT question paper that what are the advantages and disadvantages of the EDM. In the advantages, first one is there is no any physical contact between tool and workpiece. Okay, because material is removed with the help of that spark. Okay, delicate workpiece can be machined. This EDM is suitable for complex profile machining. Okay, in a traditional machining, for example on the lathe or any milling machines, we could not machine the complex profile parts, but on the EDM we can easily machine the complex profiles. The fourth one is the material removal rate is moderate. Less operator skill is required. Then hardened materials can be machined easily. Okay, these are the advantages. What are the disadvantages? The first disadvantages is the high tool wear rate. Okay, because of that spark generated, workpiece material of the workpiece as well as the tool is removed. That's why there is a high tool wear rate. Energy consumption is more. Workpiece is required to be electrically conductive. If the workpiece or the tool is not conductive, then we cannot use the EDM. For the EDM, both tool and workpiece should be of the conductive material. Okay. Now, surface cracking may occur and high machining cost. EDM machine cost is very high. Applications of the EDM: stamping tools, wire drawing, extrusion dies, heater dies, forging dies, etc. Then internal threads can be produced in harder materials. Machining of delicate part or delicate work like copper parts. Machining of the material used in the aerospace industry. Micro hole drilling and the hole drilling. Okay, these are some applications of the EDM. Okay. Now, our next part is dielectric fluid in the EDM. What is the dielectric fluid? The question is always asked. Write a note on dielectric fluid, or what is dielectric fluid? What are the advantages, disadvantages of the dielectric fluid in EDM? Now let's discuss the dielectric fluid in a brief. Dielectric fluid, it acts as an insulator between tool and workpiece when there is a no spark, and it act as a conductor during the spark discharge. Means what? Dielectric fluid act as a insulator as well as conductor. ते इन्सुलेटर म्हणून कधी वर्क करतं? ज्यावेळी स्पार्क नसणार आहे त्यावेळी ते इन्सुलेटर म्हणून काम करतं. ज्यावेळी तिथं स्पार्क असणार आहे, स्पार्क ज्यावेळी जनरेट होतो त्यावेळी ते कंडक्टर म्हणून काम करतं. Dielectric fluid are we generally used are paraffin oils, lubricating oils, kerosene and distilled water. Most commonly dielectric fluid is kerosene. Remember, most commonly dielectric fluid is kerosene. Functions of dielectric fluid: as usual, it acts as an insulator when there is a no spark, and it acts as a conductor when there is a spark. It cleans the spark gap by carrying away the molten metal. जो काही molten metal आपल्याला मिळणार आहे, छोटे छोटे particles, ते flush out करण्याचं जे काम आहे ते dielectric fluid करणार आहे. It acts as a coolant for tool and workpiece. Characteristics of dielectric fluid: it should have the high flash point, low viscosity, control the level of toxicity, high dielectric strength, cheap, and it should be easily available, and high fluidity. These are the characteristics of the dielectric fluid. Remember, these characteristics are very important. High flash point, low viscosity, it has a very low level of toxicity, high dielectric strength, cheap, and it should be easily available, and high fluidity. The required characteristics of the tool material. आता आपण डायइलेक्ट्रिक फ्लुइड बद्दल माहिती घेतली. आता टूल मटेरियल जे असणार आहे ते कशा पद्धतीचं असायला पाहिजे? इट शुड बी द गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, हाय थर्मल कंडक्टिविटी, इट शुड बी द चीप अँड इझिली अवेलेबल, then it has the low wear rate, low electric resistance, good machinability property. If there is a no if it has poor machinability property, then जो काही आपण पार्ट तयार वर्कपीस आपल्याला डिझायर्ड वर्कपीस किंवा डिझायर्ड पार्ट जो लागणार आहे त्या डिझायर्ड पार्टचाच आपण टूल तयार करून घेतो. त्यामुळे मशीनेबिलिटी इज अ व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट प्रॉपर्टी. देन हाय मेल्टिंग पॉइंट, कॉपर, ब्रास, ग्राफाइट, स्टील अँड टंगस्टन. दीज आर द सम मटेरियल्स these materials are easily available and we use these materials for our tool material. Okay, now the last part of this chapter is output characteristics of EDM. Output characteristics of the EDM. Mainly there are the three output characteristics: metal removal rate, tool wear and surface finish. आता metal removal rate जो आहे it directly depends upon the current. करंटची इंटेन्सिटी आपण जेवढी वाढवू तेवढा MRR ऑब्वियसली वाढणार आहे. Okay, so generally material removal rate is 5 to 80 mm cube with 50 ampere of the current. Okay, the next one is a tool wear. Tool wear is depends upon the pulse duration, material removal rate and the spark gap. Okay, it happens because of the sparking. टूल वेअर जो आहे तो स्पार्किंगमुळे आपल्याला बघायला मिळतो. आता हा जो टूल वेअर आहे तो जनरली MRR करंट आणि स्पार्क गॅपवरती डिपेंड आहे. नेक्स्ट वन इज surface finish. In a surface finish, as the MRR is increases, obviously surface finish जो आपल्याला मिळणार आहे तो कमी मिळणार आहे. जेवढं मटेरियल रिमूव्ह जास्त होणार आहे तेवढं सरफेस फिनिशिंग जे आहे ते कमी मिळणार आहे, रफ सरफेस फिनिशिंग मिळणार आहे. ओके. जनरली फॉर रफ फिनिशिंग आपण 3 ते 10 मायक्रॉन एवढं रफ फिनिशिंग आपल्याला EDM मध्ये मिळतं आणि 0.8 to 0.3 मायक्रॉन हे फॉर स्मूथ फिनिशिंग मध्ये मिळतं. ओके. इथपर्यंत आपल्याला सगळ्यांना समजलं असेल. EDM मध्ये जनरली आपण टूल जो आहे तो निगेटिव्ह टर्मिनलला जोडतोय, वर्कपीस जो आहे तो पॉझिटिव्ह टर्मिनलला जोडतोय. ओके. त्या दोन्ही गॅप मध्ये आपण डायइलेक्ट्रिक फ्लुइड टाकतोय, तिथं स्पार्क जनरेट होणार आहे आणि बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट स्पार्क मटेरियल रिमूव्ह होणार आहे. ही एवढी जरी प्रोसिजर लक्षात ठेवली तरी पूर्ण आपल्याला EDM वरती कसाही क्वेश्चन आला तरी आपण सॉल्व्ह करू शकतो. ओके. आज आपण इथंच थांबूया. पुढचा जो पार्ट आहे वायर EDM, हा वायर EDM चा पार्ट आपण पुढच्या लेक्चरला बघूया. ओके. थँक्यू.